Oh, hey guys, how are you doing? So this is a very simple guide to how to use OCR to basically understand what other languages say, or maybe you want to copy some text. And this can be incredibly useful if you don't want to copy out a load of text. So this is a Chinese website called Bilibili, which I just happen to be on. So I'm gonna initially press the print screen button. You can generally speaking, just press the print screen button, or sometimes you can, if you're on a laptop, press the Windows logo, the FN key and the spacebar to take a screenshot. And there's sort of various other methods of taking screenshots. Anyway, what we're then going to do is we're going to go to Google, which is just where we happen to be, and we're going to go search by image, which is at the end of the search bar here. Now, all I'm going to do is just click somewhere on the screen, and I'm going to go Control V. This has basically pasted my screenshot straight into Google image search. And as you can see, some of the text is readable, some of it isn't. This also kind of gives you similar images, for example, which I find kind of interesting. By the way, I just chose this Chinese website kind of at random. So here we go. This writing on the tree here, we can actually copy that. I've got no idea what it says. So let's go to translate. Perfect. Just going to plonk the text in here. And it says Jiang Tao, or single cover, set free. So it looks like this is a band poster, and I think it actually is in the video. So there we go. We can sort of read a foreign language, and there's no reason why you couldn't do this also on menu items, for example, if you wanted to read a menu in another language using your phone. So here we go. We've copied this text, which we could use straight away, by the way, if we wanted to. It says it shows that Hong Kong is very... Oh, that's not very nice. I think this is what the narrator was saying, basically, that this poster on a tree proves that, you know, Hong Kong is very not advanced because it has posters on trees. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this some kind of state propaganda? I don't even know what this video is. Let's see what this one says. Oh... Yes, that's right. Sino Center. Oh, so Chinese Center? Sino Chinese, yeah, maybe it's a band and they're playing at the Chinese Center. That's cool. Okay. Let's you can also copy multiple rows at the same time if you want more text. Let's have a little look here. I don't even know what this says. Shang Fuji building. I still like the red light district. What? Whoa, that's some crazy text there. So we say we like the red light district. Of course we can copy the rest of the text on the page. I'm kind of a bit curious what the rest of this says, so let's just play it. Turn the sound off. There we go. Oh, okay. Probably not going to get a good shot of it now, but yeah, so this is Bilibili that I just happen to be on. Oh yeah, look, there's all the different posters and stuff. So as far as I can tell, this is just like a Chinese couple who have basically gone to Hong Kong and they're making a video about it. Interesting. Haha. Okay. Oh, look at all the consumerism PS5 stuff, and oh, this is interesting. Anyway, guys, I guess that's the tutorial on how to copy text. Let's just see if there's any more cool text that pops up. I wonder what they're saying. I don't know. I've got no idea. I like all the text behind her head. It just kind of goes into her head and comes out the other side. Oh my gosh, look. Is that the Japanese little anime singer? I forget her name now. Oh, well, you know, the digital one. Oh, wow, it's 17 something. Okay, quick. I want to know what that says. Okay, let's see if we can get that one. Yes, that looks like a good one. Let's print screen. And we can It's uploading the image. Woo! Let's see what is actually readable. Okay, the stuff at the top is readable. This is obviously picked up a bunch of junk at the same time. Wow, chapter 17, our daily life after marriage. 15 out of 15. Whoa, this is a pretty good marriage, I have to say. Automatic broadcast. Nalita Brine. Nalita Brine? I don't even know what that means. Okay, that's cool. Anyway, guys, I will leave the video there. Hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. I thought that was amazing. That's how I use OCR anyway, and it beats the hell out of like trying to copy foreign languages or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.